let us understand how stationary waves are formed. Before that, let me define a stationary wave. A stationary wave is formed when two waves of equal frequency and amplitude travel in opposite directions along the same path. Let us move further with an example. Let us take a rope which is held by two ends. When we give a push to the rope, waves are produced in the rope and these waves travel till the end, and when they meet obstacles like the wall, they are reflected. Each such reflection gives rise to a wave traveling in the rope in the opposite direction. These two waves are superimposed, forming a stationary wave. The single string appears as double because of formation of loops or segments. In a standing wave, there are particles which undergo minimum displacement. These points are called node and are shown by n. Similarly, there are particles which undergo maximum displacement and the points are called antinodes as shown by an. Well, we have seen different types of waves and their formation. Now, let us find out the velocity of a wave. When a wave travels through a medium, the particles of the medium vibrate about their mean positions. The extreme positions of vibration causes crests and troughs in the wave. The particles which have the same displacement and moving in the same direction are said to be in phase. The distance between two consecutive crests or troughs of any particle in the wave and a similar particle in the next wave in phase with it is known as wavelength, which is denoted by a Greek letter lambda. This represents one complete cycle of vibration. The time during which a particle of the medium completes one full vibration is called the time period, denoted by t, which means that in time t, one cycle is completed. The number of cycles made in 1 second is called the frequency of the waves and is denoted by nu. Thus, the frequency gives the number of waves produced in unit time. Therefore, nu is equal to 1 by t. The unit of frequency is hertz or cycles per second. If 20 cycles are produced in 1 second, the frequency is said to be 20 hertz. The maximum displacement of the vibrating particle of the medium is known as the amplitude of the wave motion, which is determined by the energy of the wave. The distance through which a wave travels in a medium is 1 second is known as the velocity. When sound of a certain frequency nu travels through air with a velocity v, the value of v is nu into lambda, where lambda is the wavelength of the sound waves. Okay students, this is the time to summarize what we have learned till now. A wave is a disturbance created in a medium. When a wave travels in a medium, the particles in it vibrate about their mean position. They do not move from one place to another. Waves are of two kinds, progressive waves and stationary waves. Progressive waves are further divided into transverse waves and longitudinal waves. The particles which have the same displacement and are moving in the same direction are said to be in phase. The distance between two consecutive crests or troughs are known as wavelengths. The number of waves produced in unit time is called the frequency of the wave. The velocity of the wave in a particular medium is that is v is equal to nu lambda. I hope you enjoyed this session. You take care and we'll see you again. Bye.